How to see email's password on Android device. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. In the case you have forgotten the email's password and want to recover it, make sure to watch this video till the end. Now let's get started. Open your settings application. Here we go. Scroll all the way down. Over here you can find the option of Google. Open it. Now over here you will find your mail. Tap on the option of manage your Google account. With that you're gonna land to this kind of page. Now head towards the option of security. Scroll all the way down. Over here you will be able to find different sections. You will find this section for password manager as well, so tap on it. Now from here you can easily check the password. You can just tap on the mail. To get access to your password, first you will need to type in your screen lock. With that you will be able to see your password. You can get access to password only in the case you have saved it before. So this was all for this video. This is how you can see email password on Android devices. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.